Hello friends, today in this video we will write and learn a short speech on Republic Day. Good morning everyone. My name is Manasvi. Today is 26th January. At first, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. This year we are celebrating 75th Republic Day. Republic Day is a national festival of our country. On 26th January 1950, the Constitution of India came into force. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. We should always respect our Constitution. I am proud to be an Indian and I love my country very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. So friends, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.